Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pharmacist Ngozi, and in today's topic we'll be discussing about a very important substance that every family should have, and I'm talking about a black, odorless, tasteless, flavorless powder or tablet called activated charcoal. But before we go further to discuss this topic, I would like you to please kindly subscribe to this channel. Now straight to the topic. Activated charcoal is tasteless, odorless, sometimes powder or tablets that every household is supposed to have in case of emergencies. Why do you need activated charcoal at home? In cases of food poisoning or in cases of overdosage of medication, you find out that people are running helter-skelter looking for what to use in order to avert the effects of this poisoning. But if you have activated charcoal, which is very affordable and available in almost all the pharmacies, you're going to see activated charcoal. Now this is what you should use when there are cases of overdosages of medications, common medications like paracetamol, acetaminophen or aspirin, even anti-malarials, anticonvulsant medications, and so much more. When there are overdosage of these medications, activated charcoal is your best available option. As long as you discover that these overdosages occurred within 1 hour, activated charcoal can help to prevent the damages that this overdosage of the medications can cause. It's very important that you have this at home so that once there is cases like this, even food poisoning, when there are food poisoning, especially when you can't identify what is causing this food poisoning, activated charcoal is your best option. For instance, when someone overdoses on anti-malaria, in Africa, the common practice is to give the person red oil. But you find out that in cases where someone has overdosed on malaria tablets, a malaria tablet is best absorbed where there are fats or oil, and in such cases you can give red oil. What does it mean? It means you are powering the medicine to harm the person more, and that is why activated charcoal should be your best option, because activated charcoal doesn't get absorbed into your system. No, activated charcoal stays on the colon. As it passes through the colon, it attracts poisons, it attracts the drug. As far as the drug has not gone into the blood, as far as the drug is still within the alimentary canal, that is the digestive system, activated charcoal is going to absorb the medications. Therefore, the poisoning is going to be reversed. This activated charcoal is very good. What I'm saying, are they verified? Yes, these are verified. They are peer-reviewed articles that support the usage of activated charcoal in cases of food poisoning, in cases of dosages of common medications. Activated charcoal is not given to someone that is unconscious or someone that has any problem with the lungs because of aspiration. So if someone is unconscious, you don't give the person activated charcoal. Also, it's advised that if someone has taken example 4 grams of the overdosage of a medication, example 4 grams, what you should do is you double the grams of activated charcoal you are to give to this person. Okay, you double it. For every 1 gram the person has taken, you actually double it. As far as the person is conscious, there's no problem. Your body doesn't absorb this activated charcoal. It passes just the way you drink it, is the way you pass it out as too. Your liver is not metabolizing it and your kidney is not excreting it, so it does not give any extra load to your liver or to your kidney, but it just passes through the alimentary canal and it passes out as too. Okay, so that is why it's very important. You should have it at home, and it should be your first option when there are food poisoning or overdosages of medication. How does this activated charcoal look like? This is a tablet of activated charcoal. Sometimes this can also be used for indigestion. When there is excess gas, it attracts the gas in your colon and it helps to relieve you of excess gas. Also, I have the powdered form. Okay, this is activated charcoal, the powdered form of activated charcoal. Now this is the black powder. Okay, this is the black powder of activated charcoal powder. This is how it comes as powder. Someone can ask, why is activated charcoal used when there is food poisoning or overdosages of medications? It is simply because it has a very large surface area. Now, because of this very large surface area, it can attract a lot of things. It's actually said that activated charcoal is negatively charged, therefore it attracts positively charged molecules or poisons. That way it can actually remove excess of maybe drugs, absorb poisons also out of the body. Have you ever wondered where there are a lot of activated charcoal toothpaste or activated charcoal dental floss? Do you know that the best option when it comes to dental floss is any dental floss that has activated charcoal embedded in it, or toothpaste that has activated charcoal embedded in it? You know why? Because of this large surface area of activated charcoal, it attracts bacteria out of your tooth. So for those that are going through tooth problems, you can actually use activated charcoal to brush. Okay, you put it on your brush and you brush in the night before you go to bed. You will get a lot of relief because it's going to help to attract the bacteria that are causing these problems out of your tooth. So this is also another very important use of activated charcoal. There's been a lot of reports about other uses of activated charcoal, like as a detox. Yes, a detox is if you're experiencing some kidney problems, you find out that when you detox with activated charcoal, you are going to get a whole lot of relief, because this charcoal removes excess urea from the body. In fact, it helps to purify the kidney. So if you are having a failing kidney, activated charcoal is also your best option. Okay, if you have elderly people that are always complaining of one thing or the other, you can give it a trial. Okay, you can actually make a slurry of activated charcoal. How do you make it? You just put some spoons of the powdered activated charcoal into a cup and add water and mix it to make a slurry, and you can give to any elder or anybody that you know that is always complaining of one ailment or the other to drink as a detox. Because it actually works as a detox. It works wonders. It is nature's gift to man. You can give it a try because it doesn't put any extra load to your liver or to your kidney, because like other medicines, your liver metabolizes them, your kidney excretes them, but it's not like that with activated charcoal. It just passes through the colon, and as it's passing, it is attracting poisons, attracting things that are not necessary out of your system. And you take it before you eat, because there's been reports that it can actually remove nutrients from your body, especially if you just finished eating. So it's important that before you take it when you've not eaten on empty stomach. Okay, that way it works better and you take lots of fluid. You don't want to imagine the amount of detox that activated charcoal can do for the body. And the most important thing is that unlike every other detox, this activated charcoal detox is very, very healthy for the body. Why? Because it doesn't overload your system, especially for those that are already having failing kidneys. Activated charcoal is not going to overload it with excretion or metabolism of the detox. Therefore, go ahead and give it a trial and you'll be very happy that you did. Thank you very much for watching. Till I come your way again, thank you and remain healthy. Bye.